If you're getting ready to sell your old iPhone or maybe trade it in or gift it to somebody else, there are a number of things that you need to do beforehand so that you can make sure all of your data is backed up and safe and you're not handing over all that personal information to whoever owns your iPhone next. I'll walk you through the exact steps that you need to take. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And from here, tap on your name at the top. Tap on iCloud midway down. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup midway down. Next, you're going to just tap on Backup Now. This will back up your entire iPhone to the iCloud, essentially meaning if you give away or erase this iPhone, you'll still have a copy of all of that data on the iCloud so you don't lose it. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow here. Tap the back arrow again and scroll down. If you have under your account an Apple Watch, you need to unpair your Apple Watch from your old iPhone so that you don't need to erase your Apple Watch. To be able to do that, you can just hop out of here, swipe down, and just type in Watch and open up the Apple Watch app. I don't have one, but if you do, just go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and unpair it. The next thing we're going to do is go back into your settings. And within your Apple account here, tap on Sign Out at the bottom. It says erase this iPhone after sign out, but we're not going to do that quite yet. I would recommend sign out, but don't erase. And you can see it says to make signing in back easier. Basically, it can keep all of this information synced up to the iCloud. Just tap on Continue here, and then tap on Continue. Enter in your Apple account password. If you don't remember, it's not a problem. Just tap on the Passwords button here, and that will pop up with all of your passwords. Let me just use my Face ID. It'll pop up with all of your autofill passwords, including your Apple ID password. And then just autofill it and continue to sign out. Now, after you've gone through that process and signed out, we're ready to erase this phone. So let me hop out of here. Let me just close it and open it up again because it won't let me do that. After we've signed out, you'll be able to see it will say sign in at the bottom or at the top there. Scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Erase All Content and Settings. You can see it says it'll erase this iPhone, including all the apps, data, your Apple account. It'll turn off the Find My and delete all the credit cards and debit cards from your Apple Wallet, which is really important so no one can use your banking information. Scroll down and tap Continue at the bottom. If you are trading this in or giving it away, you don't need your eSIM anymore, so you can choose Delete eSIM and Erase Data, and then just go through the process of entering in your password, and it will factory reset or wipe all of the data from that old iPhone, and then you can safely give it away or trade it in or sell it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.